side probably needs remixing. Yet more tales of terror tonight at 9 seem to have lost the remote and found a bottle of wine. Wind up toys for girls and boys. Check the health and safety instructions. The manufacturer's guarantee and true crime reconstructions. The escape route has been blocked by 30 gallons of raspberry custard. The ginger poodle's crossword puzzle leaves the wolfpack somewhat flustered. Standing up for whatever, shall we just sit still? Self-awareness is overrated. Who'll pay the bill? Pickled onions in a pie. The door remains ajar. The walkie-talkie needs recharging. Battery situation bizarre. Wind up toys for girls and boys. Check the health and safety instructions. The manufacturer's guarantee and true crime reconstructions. The escape route has been blocked by 30 gallons of raspberry custard. The ginger poodle's crossword puzzle leaves the wolfpack somewhat flustered. Creative juice in a can, tin opener all ready in hand. Inspiration yet to land, a joke to misunderstand. Pretend to agree. We all know the situation creates its own debris. Hell and high water, flat earth, let's not pretend. The pressure cooker hides its shame and disbelief cannot suspend. Wind up toys for girls and boys. Check the health and safety instructions. The manufacturer's guarantee and true crime reconstructions. The escape route has been blocked by 30 gallons of raspberry custard. The ginger poodle's crossword puzzle leaves the wolfpack somewhat flustered. Wind up toys for girls and boys. Check the health and safety instructions. The manufacturer's guarantee and true crime reconstructions. The escape route has been blocked by 30 gallons of raspberry custard. The ginger poodle's crossword puzzle leaves the wolfpack somewhat